Ooh, my gauges. Amazing looking. It's my car. 20 questions, got my cell phone. You know, shit like that.
Bang it, man. What else is down there?
Oh shit, I should have gone down there. We'll never make it to Ithaca.
Huh?
We're just getting stuck in Trumansburg.
It's gonna be dark by the time we get to Ithaca, dude. I think we should just look for it on the way back.
Fuck that, dude.
Come on, man. We're not gonna find it. And it's gonna get dark by the time we get there.
Fine. That's gay.
It's already 6 o'clock, 6:15. It gets dark at like 7:30.
Rain time.
We still gotta go to Homegrown.
Where the hell's Carly's house?
What if it's that?
I don't know.
Look, that road. There's a friggin' road with nothing.
B-U-R-R.
Is that all she said?
Burr, yeah. I was like, what road do you live on again? It's like Burr.
That's it. Are you kidding me? Why did you say, where is it? Where is the road? we know damn well she lives on Burr Street. Merrill Dentist.
That's my dad.
Merrill Dentist. You have that guy?
Yeah.
He gave me my caps. Look, I just saw Nate Crawford drive by.
Nate Crawford?
Yeah, in the passenger seat. He's probably ripped.
What is he now?
Like, when he's sleeping. No, he's still high when he's sleeping. I don't know.
Probably. I'm sure he's like this busy.
Well, you gotta look gay, though.
Sweet Jesus.
I see them every day. Let's go. Let's go.
No, there's no coming.
If this is what he wants. Hey, shit, that guy was old.
There's so much pain. Hope you enjoyed this time. Gave it all away. It was lonely. Who's that?
So,
Fuck. Not you, the person on the bike.
that's all I was pointing to.
I texted her, I was like, where's the road? What street do you live on again? Or I was like, where is that road? She's like, I don't know. In the middle of nowhere, why?
I was right. I was right. I was right. Are you gonna tell me we just drove around Trumansburg?
Oh, she's across from a cow farm, that's right.
Are you gonna tell me we just drove around Trumansburg for like half an hour? Looking for Burr Street?
It's hard to text me at the exact same fucking time. Are you fucking videotaping me right now?
No.
Yeah, I forgot all about the, she lived across from the cow thing. 'Cause I was like, oh, I do too.
Kind of.
Well, yeah.
Falls Tavern. Not now. Do do do
It's right in front of
do
me.
do do. Boop 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 boop.
This guy's a daring bicyclist. Beamer behind us is just be like, what the hell is this guy doing?
Go beat their asses.
That guy pissing?
Oh, I thought he was pissing.
I would be pissing.
Oh.
They're ridiculous. I'm sure you can go left down here and get there too.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah, downtown commons left.
Oh, is that what it says?
Not this left, but
Oh, come on,
it's the
man.
next one. It's the downtown commons, but I mean,
For real?
yeah,
Fuck. Should I go straight then?
yeah.
Son of a bitch, dude. I'm just confusing the hell out of me. Right here?
What's
This is from out?
I know it's okay. I got it now.
Jesus
It's
Christ.
this way.
Probably confused the shit.
Just go straight. Just keep going straight, Sean.
Straight.
This is where we gotta go. This way.
Dunkin' Donuts!
Fuck Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts is amazing.
Some guy girl works there. Some she-male. I don't fucking know. She's really.
Guy girl works there? Is that what you just said? Guy girl?
Yeah. Oh, she's like huge. She's like, hey. Gonna
Guy
take
girl
your
works at
butter.
Borders.
Guy girls are gross. They got titties and wieners. Ooh, I think she works there. What the hell is she doing?
There's no way she works there.
She's like, I want some food.
Yeah, what the hell are you looking at now?
Oh, the guy's freaking out. Come on, White.
Sorry, little kid. Fucking dick. Like,
Motorcycle. Hey,
where are we going now, man?
We're going straight, good.
The hell are the comments?
What's gangsters? Comments up here, dude.
I have no fucking idea where we are.
I don't know where they are, dude.
Good. The bike's just
My mom used to work down here.
Oh, I know where the fuck we are. Mike and I walked to the state diner. Oh, yeah, okay.
That comments right up here. Because
Parking's gonna be-
laser tags around here somewhere.
Parking's gonna be a fucking bit. Oh, it's all parallel from here, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying it's around here. I want a laser tag one time here,
Yeah.
right next to Sammy's mom's work. I'm gonna get this guy's. Just in case you ever see this license plate, kill him.
34 gigabytes, the 87.
34 gigabytes, 87.
Yeah. It's a really tiny license plate. It's like a pussy
This
plate.
is a motorcycle.
It's a pussy plate.
Think they're gonna have something that fun?
Is that Heather behind us?
Heather.
The one that's
Heather Brown?
No, Heather, the one that had all the liquor in our house to stay for the
I
summer.
don't know.
It'd be funny if it was.
Subaru.
Waiting. The bike just like ran a red light.
You asshole.
Morgan's being a fucking bitch.